Objective General English. Important errors for upcoming Rail PSC District Codes ND All Competitive SSC exam. Question number 1. Unless it is accepted to both the parties, and A. Arbitrator would be of no, B. Used to settle this dispute. C. No error, D. Explanation, acceptable in place of accepted or by in place of to. Accepted is a verb which means to agree with or approve of something, while acceptable is an adjective which means something agreed by or approved by people or society. Since the given sentence is in passive voice, we use by in place of the object, subject of active voice. Hence, the correct option is A. Question number 2. Although the manager was keen on getting the work, A. done through Sudhir yesterday, B. he tries to avoid it. C. No error, D. Explanation, tried in place of tries. The principal clause is in past tense, use of the word yesterday. Therefore, to depict a past action, second form of the verb is used. Hence, the correct option is C. Question number 3. The various consequences. A. The decision taken by the B. Finance Ministry was not foreseen by the bureaucrats. C. No error, D. Explanation, there in place of was. Consequences is plural, reflecting more than one consequence. Therefore, the verb to be used along with it should also be plural as a verb. Hence, the correct option is C. Question number 4. Will not be used here. I never considered him to be a person who would A. go back on his promise and B. then do not even apologize. C. No error, D. Explanation, do, since we are using the conjunction and here. Both the clauses use same modal verb to reflect the action or option and must be a complete sentence on its own. Therefore, the verb do will not be used. Hence, the correct option is C. Question number 5. Having finished at school, A. Raghu thought of going to Bombay in B. search some job. C. No error, D. Explanation of preposition will be used after search because in search of means looking for, hence, the correct option is C. Question number 6. You will be prosecuted. A. For bringing seeds. B. Into Australia. C. No error, D. Explanation, in or from in place of into. The word in is used to reflect within a place. The word from is used for indicating the source or origin. The word into is used for indicating entry or introduction in a place. Hence, the correct option is C. Question number 7. You must either tell me A. the whole story or at least B. the first half of it. C. No error, D. Explanation, either to be used after tell me. The words either and or is a pair of correlative conjunction. It displays an association between two things or situations. Either comes after the verb whenever the two actions stated are similar, so either comes before the verb whenever the two actions stated are different. Hence, the correct option is A. Question number 8. Our new neighbors, A. had been living in Arizona, B. since 10 years before moving to their present house. C. No error, D. Explanation, for in place of since. For is used to indicate a length of time, for example, 2 hours. Since is used to indicate intervening period from a time in the past until now. Hence, the correct option is C. Question number 9. The patient, A. was accompanied, B. with his friend. C. No error, D. Explanation, by in place of with. The word by is used for indicating the agent or object of the cause. With is used to reflect two things to function together. Hence, the correct option is C. Question number 10. I saw him. A. A couple of times. B. Since May. C. No error. D. Explanation. Have seen in place of saw. Since is a preposition which means from the time in the past until a later past time, or until now, used with the present perfect or past perfect tense. Hence, the correct option is A. Question number 11. Tea, A, which I am drinking. B, is hot. C, no error. D. Explanation. The word that should be used before tea because we are talking about a tea, followed by a relative pronoun, which. Hence, the correct option is A. Question number 12. Although the police officer sympathized with poor, A. He refused to. B. Take an action against the rich man. C. No error. D. Explanation. The word the will be used before poor because the definite article the is used with adjectives to refer to a thing or a group of people as described by the adjective. Hence, the correct option is A. Question number 13. They were looking forward, A. to hear news, B. about the missing fisherman. C. No error. D. Explanation. Hearing in place of hear. Here, look forward to is a phrasal verb. Phrasal verbs are always followed by gerunds. Here, look forward to is a phrasal verb, therefore, it must be followed by a gerund such as hearing. Hence, the correct option is B. Question number 14. The actress A was shocked, B, by the news of her dog's death. C. No error. D. Explanation. At in place of by because shocked agrees with preposition at. At is used with adjectives to show the cause of something. In the given sentence, at needs to be used to reflect the reason of the actress's shock. Hence, the correct option is C. Question number 15. One of the questions A. he asked me was B. who did you travel with? C. No error. D. The given sentence is grammatically correct and therefore has no error. Hence, the correct option is D. Question number 16. I know A. a doctor. B. you are referring to. C. No error. D. Explanation. The in place of A. The article A is used for general representation where the object or person is not specific. It can be any. The article that is used for a specific person or object. Since we are talking about a specific doctor, the will be used. Hence, the correct option is B. Question number 17. The introduction of job-oriented courses, A. in the self-financing colleges, B. attract many students. C. No error. D. Explanation. Attracts in place of attract. This is because the subject is singular in the given sentence. Hence, the corresponding verb will also be singular. Hence, the correct option is D. Question number 18. It is better, A. to keep one's head in the face of danger than B. losing one's courage. C. No error. D. Explanation. The word structure such as to lose or lose in place of losing because the sentence structure will be as follows. To INF. Plus than plus to INF dot INF. Without to keep than to lose. Hence, the correct option is C. Question number 19. The short story, A. should not exceed, B. more than 200 words. C. No error. D. Explanation. The term more than will not be used because exceed and more have the same meaning. Use of more is thus redundant. Hence, the correct option is C. Question number 20. A city dweller finds it difficult, A. to pass away the time, B. in a village. C. No error. D. Explanation. Away will not be used to pass away means to die or to end. To pass time means to spend time waiting or thinking. Hence, the correct option is B. Question number 21. Visitors A. were not permitted, B. entering the park, C. after dark. No error, D. Explanation: to enter in place of entering. The to plus infinitive functions as a noun, as adjective, or an adverb. In the given sentence, here the verb is permitted. To enter refers to a thing being done or desired to be done. Hence, the correct option is C. Question number 22. The fifth and final act, A. of Macbeth contain, B. the sleepwalking scene. C. no error, D. Explanation: contains in place of contain. Here, the singular subject, the fifth and final act, will have a singular verb. Hence, the correct option is B. Question number 23. One of the terrorists, A. of the Kashmir Valley, B. are shot dead. C. no error, D. Explanation: is in place of are. This is so as there needs to be an agreement of number between the noun and verb where singular to singular and plural to plural. Hence, the correct option is C. Question number 24. 10 kilometers, A is B. a long distance to walk. C. no error, D. Explanation: no error. The given sentence is accurate and no correction is needed. Hence, the correct option is D. Question number 25. When shall we A. arrive, B. to our destination? C. no error, D. Explanation: at in place of to. At is a preposition used after the first or second form of the verb for a place or time. Hence, the correct option is C. Question number 26. Based on the newspaper reports, A. we can conclude that B. many accidents caused by reckless driving. C. no error, D. Explanation: are will be used after accidents. The sentence is in passive voice. The same tense structure of a passive sentence is as follows. Subject plus aux. Verb plus main verb plus by plus object. Therefore, in the given sentence, are is used as an auxiliary verb. Hence, the correct option is C. Question number 27. Females A. are not appointed, B. in our college. C. no error, D. Explanation: no error. The given sentence is correct and has no grammatical error. Hence, the correct option is D. Question number 24. The officer A. is angry on the clerk B. for not attending to the work. C. no error, D. Explanation: with in place of on. Angry is usually followed by at, with, or about. They use angry at or about something and angry with somebody. Hence, the correct option is B. Question number 28. No sooner A. I had spoken, B. than he left. C. no error, D. Explanation: had I in place of I had. Then a negative adverb or an adverbial expression such as no sooner, hardly, barely, is used at the opening of a clause or a sentence. It is always trailed by aux. Verb plus subject. Hence, the correct option is B. Thank you so much for tuning in today. I genuinely hope you found this video valuable and informative. Remember, knowledge is power, and I'm here to empower you on your journey to success in all your upcoming competitive exams, whether it's for SSC, PSC, railways, district courts, or any other competitive challenge you're taking on. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content to aid you in your preparations. Also, share this video with your friends and fellow aspirants who might benefit from it. Your support means the world to us, and we're committed to helping you achieve your goals. Stay dedicated, keep learning, and you're one step closer to acing those exams. Best of luck, and remember, you have got this. See you in the next video.